What is a partnership firm and how to register your partnership firm and what is partnership deed, how many partners can be in the partnership firm, so and how you can start a partnership with complete clarity and trust. So let's start. So at first I will tell you that what is a partnership firm. Partnership firm is a business structure in which two or more individuals manage and operate the business. All right. So, and the terms and objectives of the business and your partnerships are generally set out in the partnership deed, partnership agreement also it is set. It has low cost, ease of setting up and minimal compliance requirements make it is a sensible option for your business or for the your partnership firm. Registration is optional for the partnership firm. It is not mandatory to register your partnership firm, but it is better to register your partnership firm. Or there should be a partnership deed to register your partnership firm. There is always a second chance in life, but not in business. So you have to register your partnership firm. So now, what are the benefits related with partnership firm, and what are the documents required for the registration of your partnership firm? How Lodox can help you? I will tell you through this video. So let's start. So what are the benefits related with the partnership firm? The power of togetherness. Partnership firm is the power of togetherness. So there is no minimum capital requirement. Capital contribution is very minimum in the partnership firm. There are no restriction as such with respect to the minimum capital requirement in case of partnership firm. The partnership firm can be registered even with 10,000 rupees as a total capital. There are minimum two partners required. So even only 5,000 rupees can be contributed by each partner. So there can be a partnership firm with initial 10,000 rupees contribution. You may start the partnership firm. Easy to form. Partnership firm is very easy to form. It comes into existence merely by a partnership deed or a partnership agreement. Its registration is not mandatory, as I told you earlier. Even after formation, there are no annual filings to be done except income tax returns or GST returns. Large resources. As a partnership firm requires a minimum of two partners, there an availability of large resources, be it financial resources or managerial resources, or compared to a proprietorship firm. Proprietorship firm is related to only sole person, while the partnership firm is related with minimum two partners, or there can be many partners. Its operations are scalable. Any new partner can be introduced only by executing a supplementary partnership deed. A partners can retire or can be removed by executing a similar deed at any time by the approval of other partners. On account of its very nature, partnership firm enables sharing of risk by more than one person as the profits and losses are shared by all the partners. This ensures diversified financial risk between the partners. So sharing risk is diversified in the partnership firm. You may better tax plan. You may better tax planning with the partnership firm. Partnership firm is a legal tool for better tax planning, as you know. The partnership firm is a separate legal entity and its tax is calculated separately so it can offer remuneration and interest to working partners. All right. The next part is procedure. What is the procedure to register a partnership firm? As I told you earlier, there is no mandatory requirement to register a partnership firm, but it is better to register your business because it is your business. So you have to submit some documents. There should be a verification of these documents. There should be a partnership deed. Lodox expert may help you in this process to register your partnership deed and to make your partnership deed. Lodox expert draft the partnership deed and will help you to execute the partnership deed and to notarize the stamp deed on a stamp paper. Then after registration of the partnership deed, you may obtain or you may apply for the GST registration. You may then obtain PAN or TAN number from the relevant authorities. So now the documents part. What are the documents required to register a partnership firm? To register a partnership firm, all the partners required to submit their photographs, passport size photographs, PAN card of all the partners required to get registered the partnership firm, ID proof of the all partners, whether it is passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, voter ID, whatever it is. And for the registered office or the business office or the business address, you have to produce electricity bill or any other utility bill for the same. And why you should approach the Lodox for the registration of your partnership firm? Because we as an expert team partner in your work but not in your profit. Lodox will help you, Lodox will work with you, but Lodox will never share in your profit. So Lodox expert team will help you to register your partnership firm. We not only complete the paperwork but also share our experience with you. We shall also help you to book domain for your business if you need the domain. We shall also help to manage all your social media account. Lodox will provide you one-stop solution for all your business need. You may opt get expert assistant help through WhatsApp by clicking on this icon. And if you want detail inquiry of the partnership firm and its registration, you may fill these required details and you may provide description for your problem or your query with supporting documents if there are any, and you may submit for the registration. So through this video we told you that what are the mandatory requirements to get registered your partnership firm and what are the benefits associated with it and what is the partnership firm. I hope I have resolved all of your queries. Thank you.